This one a romantic, romantic. This one a romantic, she want it formatic. This one a romantic, she a feel romantic. This one a romantic.
Breaking news. A crime has been committed. A Nollywood icon has been murdered. Who killed Ife Iku?
Wagwan Pintus.
Mr. Sterry on the beat.
Message.
They call me CC Cafe, yeah. Oh, yeah. They call me CC Cafe, I'm in love with a superstar. My crush. Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. My crush. Every day and night, my crush, it is you I know. I don't need a badano. Talabala, a bombo. Arami, Arami, cause it's life about jeje. Talabala, a bombo. Arami, cause it's life about jeje. Sometimes what you love might be wrong for you. Desperation is not good for you. My sister, oh na na na, oh na na na, oh. Iku jagede, iku ready. Come on, don't do party, yeah. My sister, not all that glitters is gold. Don't be everything we shine, be diamond. Talabala, a bombo, arami, jeje.
Hi, good afternoon, great people. I'm setting out now. Yeah. Yes. Sheraton in the jiffy. I love you all. Post here. Network. Babe, so they share me data, checking post it can name me the new tab.
But cafe kini man share no. Gbogbo live we ko ju social media lo. Tó bá fẹ́ wẹ̀, hey good people, I'm in the bathroom. Tó bá wẹ̀ tán, hey my people, ko ju bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣé ko tó ma school wa ṣe nìyẹn?
Kí n tiẹ̀. Ìwọ mọ̀ pé wo tó sin social media òkùnkùn ló wà now. Ṣó rò pé wà life ni. Oh, mọ̀ bóyá social media gan orí Instagram yẹn lọ́lọ́ ma ti dájọ́.
Hey. Instagram in the book of life. I pity you.
Jono.
I'm me share o. But don't go watch school dey go kojumo. Come in kojumo. Social media.
Gbenu sohun. Ó ti kan. Oh my god.
Ta ló kú?
Yomi God ló follow me sin yo. Yomi God ti follow me o. Mo di tó like picture mi. Yomi God actor yẹn wo picture yẹn. Wọ́n ti jẹ tete. Vivian. See, Yomi God don't follow me oh. You don't like my pictures, yeah.
Are you serious?
Same.
Oh, babe, I'm so happy for you.
Oh,
it's a lie.
Casito. Yay!
Congratulations, babe. Guess what happened now? Yomi God just followed my friend. I'm so happy for her. Yeah. She's a girlfriend to the star right now.
My crush.
Dolapo. Yeah. Wo bí mo ṣe rí má parọ́ fún mi o. Mi fẹ́ expose ara mi jù ṣó ti yẹ ni mo ṣe wo gbogbo nǹkan tó cover yìí o. But ṣó fine. Kí ló feel?
Oh wow, okay.
Honestly, mi fẹ́ ṣíralẹ̀, first time tí mo fẹ́ rẹ́ nìyẹn ni. So mo kàn wò pé kí n jẹ́ ọmọlúàbí, everything cover. Ó lè wò pé I want to take it to mama.
Mo ló wá dà báyìí.
Anyway, mo fẹ́ lọ rí boyfriend mi tuntun.
Hey, sweetie, what's up?
Hi. Hello, relax. Kí ló dé? Mo kéré lẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ni, why do you want to go that far? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ṣé torí mo tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́ọ̀ mi níjẹta? Bó mo sọ fún ẹ pé tó bá ti di ẹni, o máa rí alert. Ó jẹ́ kó ti rí alert yẹn by now. Come on.
Mo ti rí 100,000, kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀?
Yeah, 70k for school fees, then 30k for upkeep.
So what's the big deal? Kí ló dé? Ṣé mọ́mì ẹ ló tọ́ mi láti kékeré ni? Why are you making it look like òṣèré ńlá kan? 70, 30, that's 100. So what's the big deal? Kí ló dé?
Wait, what's your rate?
Don't, I'm not joking. Mo fojú bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ, mo fara bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ, ò dá mi lóhùn, ó ṣe bí pé ó gbọ́. I think I need to spell it out to you.
Babe, this is Jeff.
Hello, Jeff.
Your fiancé.
Oh my God, I hate that word. Oh, Bonnie, fiancé báwo, ṣé wọ́n ti kóṣù wá ni? Like tọ́n bá kóṣù wá gan mo lè dáṣu padà. Okay, ṣé rainy season la wà ni àbí dry season? Èló ni ṣú gan. Why are you making it look like èmi àti ẹ ti fẹ́ ra wa? You know what? I really think I have to tell you this. I don't want to raise my voice. Mo ti lọ́kọ. Yomi Gold lórúkọ ẹ̀. Hello, chill farabalẹ̀. He's a superstar. Wọ́n dẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ máa rí mi pé mo ṣe ń rí ex kan. I don't.
Kefi, come on, tell me now and I will apologize.
Even from your dressing, kí ló dé? Ó jọmọ lọ́jọ́ bí, ó ń ṣe birthday ni.
No, you are joking, right?
I'm not joking. You know what? I really need to spell it out. I'm breaking up with you.
I'm in
In
love
fact,
with
I
a
have broken up with you.
superstar.
Ẹ tó bá jẹ́ nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ lójú lélẹ̀, àwọn ọmọ mi ń ta gan. Wọ́n ń ta lórí Instagram ni. Èyí tó jẹ́ anything gan, wọ́n máa sáré gbé jáde ńsìn. Mi ò like gbogbo jewelry orí bíbí tó.
Baby, I got this ring for you from Antananarivo in Madagascar. Come on.
So have it. Take.
Kefi.
Are you joking? I'm trying to give it back to you and you're not receiving it. Are you okay? I said I'm done. Is this so hard to understand? Excuse me. Kefi.
Ṣé méjèèjì ní jà ti tẹ́lẹ̀ ni?
No. Aja now. She be obìnrin wo lọ́wọ́ mi níjẹta. Mo dẹ̀ ní kó jẹ́ kó di ẹni. That will send her the money. And I've done that. She has already sent the alert. Mi mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tó tún.
Are they sure?
I know, come on. Me show more kékeré now. This is a 5-year-old relationship. Me le bandi misunderstanding. Kí má mọ̀.
Ẹ mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin wá máa lọ. Tó bá dé, máa bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Please. Anytime tó bá ti dé. Bá mi bá sọ̀rọ̀ níbi tó máa ti ń gbọ́.
I'll talk to her.
I love her so very much. I can't even replace her. You know that.
I will talk to her. It's a promise. Máa bá sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wá máa lọ.
Every day and night, my crush, it is you I know. I don't need a bad
You understand? Tó bá ti wá file àkọ́kọ́, one ẹ̀. Okay. Tó bá file èkejì, then you give it to her. Eh?
Èkejì ẹni kí n gba etí ẹ̀.
Yeah, sure. But I want it real, huh?
Real?
Yeah, real. Yeah, I know you can do it. Eh?
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
DOP, are you set?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Continue to fire your shot. Let's go.
Audio, roll it. Scene 5, master shot, take 1.
And act it.
Ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́. What kind of a person are you?
Yomi Gold! Yomi Gold! I love your movies. I love you.
So, who is she?
Ara àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa náà ló máa jẹ́.
Oh my God, good to see.
My sister, you know, we are very, very busy now. We are losing the daylight, eh? Just stay behind the camera. After this scene, then you can do whatever you want to do with them, please. Eh? Please.
I know. The one you are talking now, I would have taken one picture, just one selfie.
I'm really sorry.
It's okay.
Just yourself.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah, this is me with Yomi Gold live. Yeah, I'm chilling with Yomi Gold, Uncle Yomi Gold, my best actor. Say something. Say something.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Yomi Gold. Good to see you guys.
Oh no. I don't want you. Okay, just join. Just she just stayed the shot.
What's up, guys? What's up?
I'm so happy and excited.
Okay, my sister, you can just come behind the camera now, eh? So that we can go.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Come behind the camera now. Eh?
It's okay. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later.
We are good to go now.
Okay.
Let's retake the shot.
Okay.
Still on the scene 5, take 2.
Then act it.
Ó dẹ̀ ń parọ́. Eh? What kind of a person are you?
I'm sorry.
No, you're sorry for what?
I'm so sorry.
Ṣé mi ò rí ẹ pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ? Ṣé mi ò rí pẹ̀lú ẹ?
I'm sorry.
Mi ò rí ẹ pẹ̀lú fún ẹ.
Jeff, I want you to take this easy.
This is not the end of the world.
I don't understand. You of all people, you know what's up now.
This is a 5-year-old relationship. Anything that is introduction, our parents said mommy, our parents will not more. Everybody no more what together. Now look at it now. Take mama I
understand. Reason can complain, will take things easy. I know what I'm talking about. Okay, don't worry. I will talk to her. My reason pẹ̀lú ẹ̀. Má mọ ìdí tí ó fi ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí. Take things easy.
What's that? What did be heavy? What did be heavy? What did Bobo Yomi go that way? Look at it. Look at it. I know Kefi very well. Momo Kefi ti mo ni. Ibi àti Kefi ó break up pẹ̀lú mi lánàá. Lẹ́ni ó gbé ọkùnrin sórí DP kò wá gbọ́kùnrin nìkan sórí DP o. Ó gbé that Hollywood actor Yomi Gold. Ó gbé sórí DP. And everybody will be seeing that. They will be mocking me all over the place and you know what is at stake.
Calm down.
I'm calm.
Jeff.
Eh?
Calm down.
I'm calm.
This is Yomi Gold.
Yeah.
Nollywood actor.
Yeah.
This guy is a celebrity. And you know that?
Momo.
Ó yẹ kó mọ̀ pé àwọn èèyàn máa fẹ́ bá wọn ya fọ́tò. Ọmọdé fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe. Àgbà fẹ́ bá wọn ṣe. Ṣé wàá rí obìnrin? Gbogbo obìnrin pátápátá ló fẹ́ bá wọn ya fọ́tò. Ẹni tá a ń sọ yìí, ó kò lè bá ya fọ́tò kó má mọ̀ rí. Ó lè jẹ́ just celebrity things. Kó lè ya fọ́tò kó dẹ̀ gbé sí deep.
This is not a fan celebrity thing. See, Momo Kefi dada. Kefi kò lè ya photo pẹ̀lú celebrity kankan kó gbé sórí DP because Momo kin mama check DP every now and then.
Ah, you don't just jump into conclusion just like that. Look, let me tell you something. And that saw you, ìyàwó ẹ ni.
Yeah,
isn't it?
Yeah.
Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ dáadáa.
Yeah.
Ó dẹ̀ trust you. Fọkànbalẹ̀ kò síbi tó ń lọ.
Mi lè fọkànbalẹ̀.
I will talk to her.
Momo Yomi Gold ni
dada.
Oh my God. Kibi mo máa wo movies Yomi. Everybody máa wo movies Yomi Gold dada. Momo mo ṣe máa rọ fandul àwọn babes nínú movie. Momo mo ṣe máa kiss. This guy is fucking romantic.
Why you talking like this?
Something is fishy. Ìyàwó mi ti fọ́ fún.
It's just a movie.
It's just a movie.
That is what, oh my God.
It's all about my wife.
You are romantic as well, isn't it? Eh?
Mi ne calm Yomi Gold yẹn. Yomi Gold yẹn burú.
Forget about Yomi Gold.
Yomi Gold Yomi Gold yẹn burú kọ́. Kò ní bá put that guy on a TV tí kò bá ní ìtọ́ tó wà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. I know that for sure.
So, what's your name?
My name is Triple S. You can call me Kefi.
Kefi. Beautiful name.
Yeah. Soft, sexy, and sophisticated.
They call me Sissy Kefi, yeah.
Oh yeah, soft, sexy, sophisticated. Wow. Got to realize.
Thank you. I'm so happy to see you today. I've been following you over 5 years on Instagram. But my follow back was about 3 days ago. Ever since you Sumoju.
Oh yeah?
Command shop post
once in a while, my mom follow our followers me randomly like that. Especially to my degree, there's this particular one to one like our post me. And I noticed that about you. My pictures me, my videos on IG, more people come and follow me, they man like one.
Yeah.
Anyway, thank you so much. Thank you.
I don't know, maybe I remember to tell you we're fine like the film.
Oh yeah? She go move fine to show in the movie law.
Yeah, film here man just go
Oh really? So you like what you're saying right now?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh that's okay. Thank you. You're not looking bad, so
thank you.
it's alright, it's okay.
That's one of the reasons why I just had to look for you. It may sound somehow, but when it comes to you, no need pride. When it comes to you, I lose self-esteem, and it's okay.
How?
It's okay.
How is that? How? Why?
I love you. It sounds somehow, but I'm falling in love with you from 5 years ago. You are everything to me. Like, I just love you. I just want to be your baby. I want you.
Triple S. The thing is, to boss of me, who like me as an actor, you know, you're a big fan, and you know, fine. That's accepted. That's fine. But when you're taking it to another level, like that side, I'm sorry. Don't do that. You can't love me. You can love me like a normal, like you like me.
Okay, you know what? I'm sorry to cut you short. Though.
Okay.
Allow me do the loving. You just watch me do. You can do anything with my body. Like you can just touch me, you kiss me, hold me, just do anything. I'm cheap when it comes to you.
I can touch your body. That's not possible. That's no go area for me. I am married. I am happily married, and I'm fine.
Congratulations.
Do that.
Hello.
Oh, baby. Baby, that is triple S. Yeah, sweet, sexy, sophisticated, right? Yeah, she's a very big fan. She likes all my movies. My movies with Romanshi, like. Triple S, this is my wife, the love of my life, the sugar in my tea, the honey in my oogie. You know I love you, right? Okay.
Anyway, I'll talk to you later, okay? Take care of yourself.
Baby, come here. Baby.
They call me Sisi Cafe, yeah. Oh, yeah. They call me Sisi Cafe, I'm in love with a superstar. My crush. Nothing I cannot do for my love.
You needed to see the way your people was caressing.
Are you serious?
The way he was caressing me.
Are you serious?
My forehead. Kissed my lips. In fact, I'm not going to brush my mouth for 1 week.
Oh God, baby, I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kefi, at last, your dream is coming true.
Yes, so you can
Oh
say
my
that
God.
again.
I'm so happy for you,
I'm
babe.
happy for myself. Oh, that my name, no, they shock me.
Now I can see you're mad.
My darling, I'm madly in love. Madly in love with Yomi Gold. You cannot understand. Show it about to post it, bye. I come around on likes, notification, no WhatsApp, no Instagram. I'm like, follow me to your understanding. I like it. You're so cute. It's so good. It's so nice. I'm like,
I'm sorry for it. Gone. Show you life don't leave you. Call it pay.
Ayo Yomi Gold.
Hello, ladies. Good afternoon. Kefi, how are you?
First someone letting someone major. Shan't she portray and be by me? Like letting someone major. You are the right place at the wrong time. Anyway, don't tell me you are here because of your friend. To soften, I have a new boyfriend.
Yomi Gold.
One or two more. Otimo! We don't know! I have the orchestra! I say Otimo!
Má dàpọ̀ mọ́ra wọn. Mi ò really mọ̀. Èèyàn ò lè má ṣe wèrè. Kó máa hùwà bó ṣe ń hùwà yìí fi gbogbo ayé mọ̀ ọ́. Ṣó ti yé bẹ́ẹ̀? Àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ tọ́jọ́ ń gbé àtàwọn ará àdúgbò ẹ̀ ló máa mọ̀ pé wèrè aláṣọ lélẹ́yìí. Ṣó ti yé nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ. Èmi ò mọ̀. Mo kàn rí fóònù ọ̀rẹ́ mi Jeff. Mo wá rí ìwọ.
Adi mi mo ti ń súnmọ́ mi jù. Are you joking?
Mo wá rí ìwọ àti ẹ̀bí ẹjọ́ ya fọ́tò ní pati stand. Mo kàn rí lórí DPT ẹ̀. Kò sí gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ máa ń
Tóbi, ìwọ ọmọ Yomi Gold.
Yomi Gold. Ṣé àwọn olóṣèlú?
Mo kú o.
Mi ò ní.
Àyè tálíkà lè máa ń ṣe báyìí. Bó ṣe ń ṣe ó ọmọ Yomi Gold. Ìwọ tó máa sọ fún mi pé best actor ẹ lélẹ́yìí. Tó máa sọ fún mi tá bá ti ń wo movie ẹ̀. Ẹni tí wọ́n sọ fún mi pé àwọn ní eyeball jọ tiẹ̀ tí mo sọ pé kò ju ẹgbó fún àìjọ ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ mọ́. Ó di pé fẹ́fẹ́ mi ń sìn ìhò mọ́. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé privilege ló jẹ́ fún mi ni? Tó bá máa porúkọ ẹ̀ ń sìn, wọ́n máa fi title sí. Wọ́n máa ní ìwọ gangan ní ọ̀rẹ́ ex mi. Tèmi ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá jẹ́ ìyàwó Yomi Gold. O understand ni? Ìwọ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ ti fẹ́ ìyàwó Yomi Gold rí. Ó ṣe yẹ kó máa rìn rè kí n ṣe fún gbé ṣọdá pass ara ẹ̀ kó máa fi kó.
Yomi Gold yẹn ta ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà?
Ẹ̀yin tálíkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ń lẹ́tàánú. Ó ti fẹ́ jẹ́ máa lọ àwọn words ẹ̀. Vivian, you don't understand. This guy dey tell me say he no sabi star. Who he go sabi for life? Okay.
Má dàpọ̀ mọ́ra wọn.
O mọ́kọ mi.
Tí èèyàn bá rí celeb, jẹ́ pé yes, celebrity lẹ́ni, èèyàn máa mọ̀. Mi ò ń ṣe celeb now. It's just Oh, mo fẹ́ ṣe láti sọ àwọn kankan fún ẹ tí ò yé ẹ.
Nadia, mo understand.
She's celeb, she Jackson.
Ní sùúrù. Beef lásán ló ṣe ni beef ni. Àdèmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ Italica ṣe máa ń bí. Oh my God. My baby is calling me. My baby is calling. My baby is calling. Vivian calling. My baby is calling.
Auntie, you have to talk to her, please. Kó ti bàjẹ́ gan-an.
Ẹ wo, ó ti sú èmi náà. Mo ti bá sọ̀rọ̀. Kò gbọ́ kò ní. I don't understand.
Bóyá ẹ mú ilé ìgbà tẹ́ ń bá a sọ. Actually, nǹkan tí mo ń jà láti sọ ni pé ẹ ní láti wò ó sàn torí nǹkan tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ má wúran ibi tẹ́ bá mọ̀ kẹ́ ẹ jáde lọ kó bá dé ilé àdúrà kó bá dé babaláwo.
Ẹ ní sùúrù kí ló yẹ yín gan lẹ̀? Ṣẹ́yìn náà lè help ẹ ni.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ẹjọ́ ń ríra yín lójoojúmọ́.
Ẹ̀yin náà ọ̀rẹ́ náà lẹ jẹ́ sí, so you should be able to help her.
Nǹkan ti bàjẹ́ lára ẹ̀.
Nǹkan bàjẹ́ o, so ẹ̀yin náà ẹ wá ọ̀nà. Wo àtàn mi ò ráyè gbogbo ó ti sú mi. Tóbi. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lẹ̀ wò? Mo ṣe rí i pé o ti sick o ti mad. Kí ló ń jẹ́ kó sí o? Tí máa fi ọwọ́ sí gbá ojú ẹ. Ọ̀tọ̀ ni tó bá wà ọ̀tọ̀ ni tó ń wo ibi o.
Nǹkan bàjẹ́ lára mi o. Kí mo pa kiri gan-an. Ọ̀tọ̀ mi bá wà lóòótọ́ ọ̀tọ̀ mi ò wú. Heart attack.
Mr. Sterry on the beat.
Becky, what's up?
Yeah, I do now.
Ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀.
Mo wà pa.
Tó kọ̀ dáhùn ibẹ̀ ń dájà yìí.
Àbí nà. Àṣà lè para wa. Ṣé náà làwọn ọ̀nà?
Wo má jẹ́ ìfọwọ́ lẹ́sọ̀. Ṣé wọ́n ti díù tí mo bá wà àti Suzy discuss nígbà yẹn?
Okay, tó bá wa sọ lórí fóònù.
Yeah, we need to do it.
Really?
Like seriously. Wo bí a ká pe physics guy to involve ẹ̀ ká lè mọ bá yẹn máa ṣe.
Sure. Suzy. Pé tí Suzy bá gbọ́ báyìí tí ẹ máa ń lọ ni. Ṣé ṣọ́kọ̀ àwọn ọ̀bọ̀n yẹn máa sọ ṣuṣá?
Ṣé mo gbé ṣàwọn fún yín? Níyẹn kí mo gbé iṣẹ́ bá sábà tọ̀dọ̀ sweet. Ó máa kú.
What's up, baby?
Oh, fine.
Suzy ilé mẹ́ja wíwẹ̀ inú ni. Alpha.
Mo wà pa.
Wá nǹkan tí mo ṣe ní kí Becky pé ẹ. Ṣé wọ́n ti deal tàjọ discuss nígbà yẹn?
Oh, yeah, mo rántí náà.
Deal yẹn ti done.
Ṣé kò dàbí títí ọjọ́ yẹn ṣe pé kò ṣàprápra?
Ṣé mo fún yín ṣàrẹ̀?
Alright, pé máa ń sọ
But problem kan wà nílẹ̀ báyìí.
Okay.
Demand àwọn guys in high. Each of them fẹ́ threesome. So mi mọ bẹ ṣe máa ṣe.
Wọ́n ní threesome. Táwọn méjèèjì bá wọn ṣeré lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan pẹ̀lú kíní. Wọ́n á gbà pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wa àgàgà tẹ̀yìn ká fún wọn jẹ.
A máa ṣeré gan fún wọn. Àwọn méjì náà ti wà okay. Àti wípé ṣebí mo sọ fún ẹ lórí fóònù pé àwọn méjì la wà available. Àwọn tó kù ti lọ ṣiṣẹ́ l'Abuja now.
Ṣé ìgbà yìí mi sọ mi pé big boy làwọn guys yìí wọ́n lówó lọ́wọ́ gbé iṣu sọ́wọ́ gan àwọn ọlọ́mọ kan tó fẹ́. Ẹ wá babe tó ń wẹ̀ ní omi yẹn kọ́ bá lọ fi jẹ́ sẹ́yìn.
Àfi bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ akọjọ́ wa ní omi àjọ ń swim àkànjọ́ ń kàn.
Ẹ nà ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ owó lélẹ̀ kò sí ẹni tó máa gbọ́rọ̀ owó tó máa níwọ̀n ṣe. Ẹ pé kẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kọ́ta máa ṣe lórí ẹ̀.
Lóòótọ́ ló dẹ̀ sọ because owó làwọn obìnrin mọ̀ má wọ̀ ya máa fún ẹ ní feedback.
Mi mọ bẹ ṣe máa ṣe o nǹkan tó náà fẹ́ ni.
Má wọ̀ ya máa bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Ṣé owó yẹn wà important?
A máa bá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé
ọ̀rẹ́
obìnrin
kí ló tí a máa gbé súnmọ́ náà ni.
ó máa gbọ́ iṣẹ́ máa lọ owó lobìnrin mọ̀ náà.
They call me CC Kefi, I'm in love with a superstar. My crush. Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. My crush. Every day and night, my crush, it is you I know. I got
know I love you so very much. I can't live without you. You know that. Don't do this to me now, please. You can't do this to me now. Eh? For the past 3 days, I can't even do anything. Kefi, you know I love you. Don't do this now. Eh? You know, lots of our parents meet him daily. Hello? Hello? But Kefi, you of all people know that I can't live without you. But Kefi, this is not fair now. Eh? I can't love another woman like you. You know now. Kefi, but this is not right. This is not right. Eh? This is not right. Oh. Kefi ni mo ń try láti bá sọ̀rọ̀.
You don't have to tell me that. I know. So you need explanation nípa ẹ̀. Explanation kan ṣoṣo péré mo need.
Kí ni?
Can you please, Jeff, tell me the definition of your problem? I want to know.
You don't understand.
I just explain.
See, me and Kefi has been in this relationship for like 5 years.
Okay.
Kò sẹ́ lómi tí mo fẹ́ lọ bá tí mo máa love bí mo ṣe love Kefi. Kefi is my life.
Okay.
This is a 5-year-old relationship.
Okay.
Our parents say ti mọ̀ mí. Our parents mi náà ti mọ̀.
Okay.
I love her.
Okay.
You don't understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Ṣé o ti tán? Torí pé mo rí pé ò ní point. Oh, ní point kankan rárá.
How?
She's my fiancée. 5 years relationship and so fucking what? Please, can you tell me the full meaning of X?
X?
Yes. Baba, X ni o. Nǹkan tó bá ń pè ní X, waste product. Wàláì, ó ti waste jù kan ti wọ̀. Egbò bí kí ló ń ṣe tó ń ṣe báyìí náà? Fọkànbalẹ̀, ó ní problem, ó kàn fúnra ẹ̀ problem ni. Shit happens. Kò mean anything. Ṣé o ti yẹ? Mo lọ síbẹ̀ ṣe mi ò lọ síbẹ̀ ni. I went there just because of your happiness. I went there.
Kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀?
Mo tẹ́bọ̀ bẹ̀ ni náà. Mo tẹ́bọ̀ bẹ̀ mí. Èmi ní káfí àbí kéfì àbí kí lẹ́yìn pé tó ń lo privilege fẹ́ mi níbi tí mo bá dé ìwé mélòó ló kà. Ta ló rán léwé? Ó ń sọ níwájú èmi pé èmi ti ní privilege mo ṣe wà yìí.
Kí ló sọ?
Wípé ọ̀rẹ́ ex-boyfriend ìyàwó Starboy. Ó dà pé kí n gbá mílò lójú ni. Ó dà pé kí n rí kí n gbá. Kò dẹ̀ ní dáfi káfí o. Ayé kéfì ti bàjẹ́.
No, má ṣe pé fún Kefi.
Káyì sẹ́, mo ní kò káyì. Lọ́sàn gangan láàrin èmi àti ẹ, Ògún ni mò ń sìn. Mi lọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì. Kí mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe ó mọ̀ mí. Ògún rèé, Ògún máa bá tiẹ̀ jẹ́.
No, ó nígbà tó máa ṣe pé fún Kefi.
Akẹ́fìn ayé Kefi ti bàjẹ́ rẹ̀ dì.
Má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
Ṣé mi ni Kefi ń gbójú wò tó ń sọ fún pé kémi wá kó lé àwọn pé mo ti ń dóoru mọ́ àwọn? Ṣé rí ọ̀bọ Yẹmí Gòdì yẹn? Ṣé rí ọ̀bọ yẹn? Fáàsì mi tẹ́lẹ̀ mi owó fíìmù púpọ̀ o, but ayé ti bàjẹ́ báyìí. Kò ní fáàsì mọ́, fáàsì ẹ̀kan ti dínkù. Wọ́n ti ní problem pẹ̀lú mi. Kò sí ọjọ́ tí máa rí inú fíìmù táyé ò bàjẹ́. Kéèyàn 100 wà ń bẹ̀, gbogbo máa dislike ẹ̀jọ́ yẹn ni. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mi àti ẹnìkan lájọ́ ń wo fíìmù tí Africa Magic bá bá mi dánwó èrò tó gbé fíìmù ẹ̀wà máa fọ́ tẹ́lì. Máa fọ́ tẹlifíṣàn.
Ó máa fọ́ TV.
Personal person mi ní ẹ̀ náà. Mi kò lè máa wẹ̀ kó máa ya wèrè sí mi lọ́wọ́, ó ti ń ya wèrè mẹ́. Yes! Ó ti ń ya wèrè, ó ti ń di nǹkan mi. Ó dẹ̀ owó ọmọ padà ya wèrè o. Gbogbo ẹni tó ń wọ sọ́kọ́ ní èèyàn gidi o. Wàá kọ́ máa dá sọ̀rọ̀ ni. Ó gbé fún kó lè tí o lè gbé owó. Hey, Kefi, I'm talking to you. Can you just imagine?
Yeah. You might feel pains.
I'm not feeling you anymore. Move forward. Look for somebody. Why not me?
There's nobody that can be like Kefi. Kefi is everything.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kò sóbìnrin mímọ́ ni. Ládùúgbò obìnrin tó wà ń tà yìí. Kẹ́lẹ́ wú àwọn ọmọ tó wà ń tà tó ń bínú lọ́wọ́. Ó jáde o. Ṣòrí ìjókòó ronú pàdé lómi. Ẹ tún bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kò sẹ́ni ta ló sọmọ ẹ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Bọ̀ kí ló ń try àti máa sọ fún mi? Kí ni gbogbo trash, kí ni gbogbo nonsense yìí náà?
Ní sùúrù náà, ó jẹ́ ṣe bí kò mọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ. Kò ń ṣe pé àwọn àwọn tíìmù wa. Ìwọ náà mọ̀ pé àwọn ní àwọn tíìmù wa wọ́n sí lára àwọn lọ ṣiṣẹ́. Àwọn agent yẹn jẹ́ demand fún mi urgent. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe wá bẹ́ẹ̀ kó bá mi sọ fún Kẹ́fì.
Fine. And live large and slay. But come in power into this nonsense, then she now.
I won't share nonsense now. Business no land shit.
It is what they call business.
Business ni now. O ṣá mo wa.
And she nonsense that she business. And bali aye ara yin je. Ela she business.
Calm down. Now ko ye kin sleep fe o je fe ma work.
Shut!
Ní sùúrù now.
All right.
Ẹ te rin. Wọ́n náà fọn bí pé kò slay. Àwọn slay ko te pé wọ́n kan along fi wọ́n ṣe.
Me, Tommy now. I really love you.
Binga, ṣé kí n ṣe kó n tán mi báyìí?
Kí ni mo fẹ́ tán ẹ fún? You see, mo fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé anything tí bá ti ṣe in the past tí ò dáa tó dẹ̀ like, forgive me. Right now, mo really mean it. I want us to work together.
Okay, kí l'assurance tó fẹ́ kí n fi mọ̀ pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to spend the rest of your life with me?
Yes!
Got it! Yeah, nice one. Nice one. Start me. Nice one. Nice one. I believe you.
Triple S?
Yes. Soft, sexy, and sophisticated.
What are you doing here?
I'm here to see you.
I hope you're not stalking me because Mo really like him. Must stalk me.
I saw your location on Instagram and I realized you're somewhere here. That's why I came.
Mo really like him. I was a bit in You can see I don't really have all the time.
I understand. And Emigo, I'm just pushed to do this. I don't know. I love you so much. I love you so much. And I wish you can just see. I don't know. I'm sorry. Looks like I'm cheap. Yeah, I agree. I don't want to ever lose you. Please.
Mr. Yomi,
yeah,
you need to prepare for the next scene. You understand? Change your costume.
Oh, no problem. That is thing about ready with me. I'll be ready. She be bedroom scene.
Yeah, sure. Bella Faye answer.
About me PA, me go for me pajamas.
No problem. I'll get in touch with my PM now.
All right.
Take care.
Yeah. All right, cool. Thank you. That's funny. That's strange. I thought you met my wife. Oh, my God, to marry now. So, how do you feel when me tell you work out?
Yomi, mo mọ̀ pé ti marry. Èmi no dẹ̀ fẹ́ dalé ẹ̀rú. Just put me by the side and find solace in me. That's all I want.
I'm sorry, stop this. Nǹkan tó ń sọ yóò lè ṣẹlẹ̀ now. Kí ni ẹ? Look, let me tell you something. Mo ti marry. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti máa ń gbọ́ gbogbo Yomi, my own Yomi is different, okay? I don't do that.
Yomi, I'm not asking for too much.
You see, I don't want to be rude to you, okay? Ibishe ni mo wà yìí. Tó ṣe wá bí báyìí ṣe distraction ló jẹ́. Do you get it? I'll talk to you later.
Yomi, I just want you to hug me. I'm not asking for too much. Then probably maybe you can go to kiss my lips.
You want me to hug you? You want me to kiss your lips? Like, for real? I can't do that. I'm at work.
Yomi, I'm for real. It's not something that is hard. Just imagine it's a movie. Like,
no, this is not a movie. This is reality. I'm sorry. I'm married.
I want to be your cast. I've been cotton sole. Just make me.
I'll talk to you later. I'm really sorry.
Yomi, don't do this to me. You're actually walking away.
I have to. I'm sorry.
Yomi.
I'm sorry.
Shit! Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. Every day and night.
Because once it's out, you said, yeah, hey, good afternoon, Mr. Did I say? Meet our nominees for our award, our community award, the Bora Awards. Mr. Femi, how do you feel about being nominated for the best actor in the leading role?
I feel honored. I feel excited because it's something I deserve for my artwork. Oh, I feel you are very confident about it, sir. Sir, do you think you can bring home the award?
It's a question you already know the answer. Of course, the award belongs to me. Comparing me with other nominees in that category, it's like comparing father and his children. If you and your son are nominated for an award, who will win?
I see you are very confident about this award, your nomination.
Of course, I'm confident about it. With my achievement, I deserve some accolades. The award obviously belongs to me. I don't want to brag about it, but the award belongs to me. You all know that. Thanks, fans.
Thank you very much, brother.
You're
Thank you for your time,
welcome.
sir. Have a nice day, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, sir. Bye-bye, sir.
Babe, where you keep this bag now? Answer me now. Babe. Babe. What happened now? Why are you like this?
Now Yomi Gold won't kill me. Oh.
Ha! Yomi Gold again. How?
It's making it difficult.
Babe, I thought you guys have already going along. Like you guys are already in good terms. So why is he giving you a headache? And babe, me and you, tell me the truth. What happened?
Yeah, the truth is yes, he's my boyfriend, but I think I love him too much and it's affecting me. I'm just in love, and you know, sometimes when you're in love, you don't understand as they do you. Since in our love.
Babe, it will be good if you date this guy, because they don't nominate this guy for the Bora Award. And this Bora Award, it's worth 50 million naira. And the category they nominate him for is Best Nollywood Actor in a Leading Role.
Really?
Yes, sir. The winner will be going home with the 50 million naira. You can imagine if your guy going with 50 million, and you know how it's going to be for you. Though they nominated 3 guys with him.
You know what? I'm not scared, because Yomi Gold is a goat.
Goats? How?
He's the greatest of all time actor.
Oh, now I understand.
Vivian, I'm telling you, there's nobody that can stand Yomi Gold. You don't understand. He's the star boy. For me, Triple S, to be dating someone like Yomi Gold, you should know that the stardom is beyond something I can comprehend. I'm in love. I don't want to raise my voice. Forget it. Yomi is going to win.
This love, it no go kill you, babe. Eh?
Oh my God, I just wish he can just come back from work. Let him just come to me. I miss those moments.
Man sọ pé England kò tó máa ń fi bóyá ìwọ kan sọ pé Barcelona whatever let me tell you.
Pàdé ẹ̀ owó ló ṣe náà.
Kò dọ́gan.
Barman! Barman! Barman!
Yálàjí kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan kí lẹ fẹ́ ó tó jọ mẹ́ta o.
Báwo ni? Ṣáde wa?
Pẹ̀lú fọ́nà.
Fún mi as usual náà.
Ṣé kí n gbé crate kan yẹn wà ṣoṣo àbí kẹ́kẹ́ wọ́n sì wà náà?
Èwo ló dé? Ṣé ní lọ́jọ́ bí mi ni? Fún mi nígò kan kí n fi step down.
Every day is your day. Ẹ gbàgbé every day is your birthday. Ó ti yé yín. I'll be back. All right.
For life. Ọlọ́run.
Dúró náà, ká máa fọ̀rọ̀ lẹ sọ̀rọ̀. Búra àwọ̀ ti ọdún yìí. Bí wọ́n ṣe ń wò pé bó tiẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ, as in for this 2018, we want to present award ọdún yìí máa tight gan. As in tó bá wà àwọn nominees tó wà ní category best actor yẹn, wàá rí pé kíní yẹn ó tight gan. As in award 2018 yìí ni mò ń sọ. Mi ò rò pé ó sí ẹnìkankan tó lè bá FM yẹn dù. As in Fẹ́mi Kúdàísì ni mò ń sọ. Jọ ṣé wò kí n wo gbogbo acting wọn ni? In fact ṣé wò rí pé bí gbà pé wọ́n gbé bàbá sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ ni àwọn tán kó pọ̀ no mo fẹ́ kó tẹ̀ understand nǹkan kan ṣé orí tán bá ń fi Fẹ́mi Kúdàísí wí anybody nínú gbogbo àwọn tó tò sílẹ̀. It's like pé bóyá èèyàn ń gbé igbá sẹ́gbẹ́ àwo. Igbá tuntun ó wúwo jáwó lọ.
Bọ̀bọ̀ gbégbá àtàwó lẹ̀, igbá àtàwó kọ́ lè lé. Yomi àti Fẹ́mi là ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa. Ó jìnnà síra wọn gan.
Wo mi ò ní nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ bẹ sojú pé bí mo kàn ṣe sọ yẹn ìwọ kan tí ẹ you can just imagine ta ló lè jẹ.
Ṣé o rí gbogbo àwọn tó ń tò sínú kinní yẹn èmi ti rí so mo dẹ̀ rí pé ìgbà tí bàbá bá ń bá ọmọ dùn nǹkan ni máa wo bá tẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ òun sọ̀rọ̀ Fẹ́mi bíi pé actor gidi kan tiẹ̀ ni bọ̀bọ̀ Fẹ́mi ọ̀dẹ̀dẹ̀ pé tó bá act yẹn bíi dìdìrín báyìí ló ṣe máa act.
no kò ń ṣe Fẹ́mi street yín mọ nǹkan tó ń sọ o Fẹ́mi
Kúdàísí tí wọ́n ń sọ yẹn ṣó mọ act ni kò lè act nǹkan tọ́mọ mi act ṣé bá fi wé Yomi ni ṣé bá fi wé Yomi gold ni.
bọ̀bọ̀ ìmúṣẹ wa rí i pé ojú ọ̀tẹ̀ ló máa ń fi wo nǹkan because tó bá wò ó tó bá yẹ pé bóyá ó máa ń wo nǹkan bó ṣe yẹ kó wò ok ó ń fi Yomi gold ó fi ń wé Fẹ́mi Kúdàísí ṣé òun fi kú wo oorun.
ó dáa ṣó fẹ́ gbọ́ tuntun jẹ́ sáré boss brain Yomi ló máa gbà wọ́ọ̀dù yẹn ó dáa mo lè fi life mi bẹ́ẹ̀ tiẹ̀ pé òun ló máa gbà tí ò bá gbà kí nǹkan mi ṣẹlẹ̀ sórí mo wá fi ń dá ẹ lójú tó bá yẹ pé Fẹ́mi Kúdàísí tí wọ́n ń sọ yẹn ló máa dí Yomi lọ́wọ́ láti máa gbà wọ́ọ̀dù yẹn èmi á drop ẹ̀ kó tó dọjọ́ yẹn.
ẹnu sọ̀njọ́ Fẹ́mi ẹ̀ wo ni.
ọ̀gbẹ́ni o kúkú mọ̀ pé a sọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ mi àyèmí.
jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ sórí Fẹ́mi bó ṣe wà yẹn Yomi tó ń pariwo yìí gbogbo èèyàn ló mọ̀ wípé Fẹ́mi pé Yomi ò tiẹ̀ sí bẹ̀ rárá mi tẹ́ bí Yomi gan bó ṣe manage wo àárín àwọn pípẹ́ because tó bá wo nǹkan tó ń lọ kó tiẹ̀ sí Yomi ò tiẹ̀ sí bẹ̀ má tẹ̀ mention Yomi.
má bínú ta ni bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn. èṣù as in devil.
ẹ ṣe yorùbá èṣù lẹ́nu ọjọ́ wẹ́dẹ̀ àti ọmọ méjì ló pa torí kò láì kan àti kékeré ni ẹ̀ ní kóló ibi tá a ti máa wọ́n ẹ̀ ó ní ìwọ̀n kọ́kọ́ wọn á di òdòdó tó jọmọ bàkà wọn kọ́ sọ pé wọn á sọ̀rọ̀ bàkà ó gùn di ọ̀rẹ́ sọ́nà mẹ́jọ ó tún já aṣọ ẹsẹ̀.
You don't mean that. So gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn sí ó lè ṣe.
tó bá fọ sọ́wọ́ bá ìgbọ́ ẹ̀yọ̀ 900.
ìyẹn eléyìí náà. ee ọsọ
kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ tó ṣù wá ń gbà. Yeah, gbogbo package yẹn ti set by.
Okay.
Yeah, and in the next 10 minutes go on standby. I'ma make move.
No, that's right, but o ma fún mi small time because mo fẹ́ conclude something.
Okay, no problem. All right.
Mo tó mo sọ fún yín ẹ̀rọ amánọ́wọ́ tẹ bá gbà bá nǹkan ti bàjẹ́
o. ṣé gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn o máa pa ọwọ́ rẹ̀ bá kò ń ṣèwọ ló nominate ẹ̀ wọ́n nominate ẹ̀ ni kò dẹ̀ ń ṣèwọ ló mú then èmi ti mọ̀ pé òun ló máa gbà nǹkan tó mú kò fẹ́ ni tó bá yẹ kó ní drink sí pé kó order more drink kó mu drink kó wà okay.
má ẹ̀kọ́ fún o ẹ̀kọ́ lómi tó ṣe wọ́n ìwọ̀n náà tó bá mu mẹ́fà á ti kú.
ó ti gbàgbé ni ọjọ́ táwọn wo match ń bíbà bọ̀bọ̀ tó lọ sọ̀rọ̀ anyhow tó ṣe bí olórí burúkú yẹn orí ni mo sọ wípé máa gún ojú ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ gún pa.
ọ̀gádé èmi ò ṣe jọ́ lójú báyìí náà.
ọ̀gbẹ́ni ẹ̀mí èèyàn èṣìṣì lẹ̀ ẹ̀mí èèyàn máa tẹ̀ pa ni àbí kí sáyé gbọmọ ọ̀nà kí bẹ̀ látòrí ẹ̀ àbí. ọ̀gbẹ́ni fábàlẹ̀ o.
ìyẹn nìyẹn kò sí nǹkan Fẹ́mi eléyìí òun ló ní àwọ̀dù eléyìí kò dẹ̀ sí nǹkan kan anybody fẹ́ ṣe sí gbogbo wa láti mọ̀. what are you saying.
má wọrí ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ ti yé mi bá ṣe ń lọ yìí bá ṣe ń ba lọ ìwọ̀n pé lẹ́sẹsẹ ni kó tó di ọjọ́ award tí Fẹ́mi ò bá kú pè mí bastard.
sùúrù bọ́ọ̀rẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. Every day and night, my crush, it is you I know.
Hey.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
Yeah? See, I have come to warn you. And I want you to listen and listen real good. You better stop messing around with my wife.
What are you talking about? Who's messing around with your wife? Who's your wife?
Oh, I love this your attitude. You're asking me who's my wife, right? You want to tell me you don't know Kefi? You don't know Triple S?
Oh, Kefi. Oh, soft, sexy, sophisticated, right?
Hey!
Yeah, she's a friend. I know her. She's a friend.
See, I am the only person in this whole wide world that calls her by that name, soft, sexy, sophisticated, on bed. Now you're using the same tone. Guy, what kilo share?
tí wọ́n bá sọ fún ẹ pé mò ń fẹ́ yàwó ẹ or whatever, to hell with anybody tó bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. And to you, kí ló fún ẹ ní audacity tó fi believe pé mi àti ẹ lè jọ máa dùyàwó. I'm a married man, okay? I am married, happily married.
No, I know what's up. Because I know actors are the best pretenders. When you're pretending, you're acting up for me, Abi. Now let me tell you something that is gonna sweeten your whole heart. See, you are the whole star. Me, I am a nobody. If you don't stop messing around with my wife, I am gonna go all over the social media and mess you up big time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What? Anything tó bá wù ẹ́ ní kó lọ ṣe. I don't care. Wait, ó fi ìpè torí pé mo ti jẹ́ celebrity. You think because we are celebrities, we're not going to stand up to defend ourselves? You know, I don't care about that. Hey, oh, really? Hey, I don't do anything with your wife.
You are the celebrity. I am a nobody. You are the celebrity. I am a nobody. I ain't got nothing to lose. If you don't stop all the bullshit you're doing, I'm going to fuck you up.
And because you're nobody, that's why I don't care about you.
Listen, I know what you do to all those girls in the movies. You can't do all that to my babe, to my wife. Okay. Now, if you don't stop messing around, I am still on one point. If you don't stop messing around with my wife, what I'm going to do to you, you're going to regret it.
Yeah! I'm not going to stay here and do this with you. I'm not going to be here and drag with nobody because I am somebody, okay?
Oh, you're somebody, right? You're somebody, right? Yes. I am a nobody. I don't give a freaking care. Now, let me tell you something. By the time I'm done with you, you're going to regret your life. You're going to look at your mama and say, Mama, why did you freaking ask me?
I don't care.
Where will you go?
I don't care.
Where you go? All right. If you go fumble. No, ó lè pé torí pé mo ti ń bá sọ òyìnbó now ó lè pé tí ló bí ọmọ bọ̀tí ni mí mo jẹ́ olórí burúkú o ọmọ èmi ọmọ mo sin
Oh yeah, they call me CC Cafe. I'm in love with a superstar. My crush. Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. My crush. Every day and night, my crush. It is you I know.
We are here at the crime scene of Mr. Femi Iku, reporting to you from Emma Kills TV station. My name is Jimmy Yu. Now we bring you good reports as usual, but today is a sad news to report to you that our beloved brother and actor, a celebrity loved by the heart of all, Mr. Femi Iku was murdered by an unknown assassin, according to the police report. And the police are here to conduct investigation concerning the case of our beloved brother, late Femi Iku. Yes, the detective in charge of this case. Now, I believe we would like to hear from him. Excuse me, sir. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Jimmy Yu, reporting from Emma Kills TV station. We, Nigerian as a whole, we would like you to give us an enlightenment concerning this case, sir. We want to hear from you.
You see, it is highly disheartening, it's totally barbaric, it's heartbreaking to see that someone can wake up one morning and say he wants to murder a person in the caliber of Femi Iku, who is loved by everyone, who gives back to the society. A good Nigerian philanthropist can be murdered gruesomely in this way. So the fact is that I am using this opportunity to tell the public that police will do everything in its power and use everything within its capacity to make sure that the culprit of this murder is brought to book. And I want you to remember that police is your friend. Just smile. 1 minute, please.
Sir, can you please step?
We got a new lead. Are you serious? For real, let's go.
Excuse me, sir. Young man, please, you cannot cross. No. Do not cross.
We need to get
information. You have to stay behind. You have to stay behind. Just one. Read, please.
Hold on. Okay, reporting back to you. We just heard right now that there's a new
set. The bad news spread like wildfire, and it is with a great sense of loss that we at Pinterest Communications bring to you the death of late Nollywood actor Femi Iku. The questions begging for answers are: who could have fallen this great giant? Who could have? What is the motive behind the death of this Nollywood icon? I am Nick, reporting for Pinterest Communications.
No, it is Sakata Parala Sinto. The meaning is like you say something and it's for real. You go to
Sorry,
what can I do for you? What are you doing here? I'm on set. I'm working.
I'm here to see you. Just few minutes.
All right, okay.
Sorry.
No, I can hear you. What do you want to say? Don't touch me now. I'm on set. I'm working.
What can I do for you?
Actually, tomorrow is my birthday.
Okay.
And I just want one thing from you, which is, you know me, Madu, to bale wish me happy birthday on Instagram, even if it is for 30 minutes. Go to a picture of me, Lori, but just wish me, please. And Tibari cake, my joke be my pose, like I'll just be like, thank you. But Tibari cake, that wish is okay. I don't want to bug you.
Wait. What is my business with your birthday? You want me to wish you happy birthday on my Instagram? Are you out of your mind? What is my business with your birthday?
Take it easy. You're raising your voice.
Oh, really? I'm raising my voice.
You're stalking me everywhere. Are you all right? Coming to where I'm working.
Yes. You don't come close to me.
Yes.
Okay? I have million fans. They like me all over the world. After everything, don't shake out. Are you mad or something? No, what kind of a fan are you? No, if you really like me in movies, can't you just like me on the TV? Do you have to come to anywhere to match share? No, director, what is the meaning of this? Why would you allow this lady to come here? Are you out of the mind? Yes, sir. Director, look, what are you looking for? Look, no, I need you to get this lady out of here because if you don't get her out of here, you're not going to get the best of me on this set. What rubbish?
Yomi, take it easy. This is emotional violence. You can wish me happy birthday. I'm not asking for too much. I don't even want any hug this time. Just the wish.
Wish you happy birthday. I don't care about your birthday. I said, look, I am married. Look at me. I am married. I'm a married man. Get this lady off the set right now.
Excuse, madam.
Oh my God! Take this lady out of here. I'm not your boyfriend, okay? I'm not your boyfriend. I'm a married man. I am married. Tó bá ní ọkùnrin lọ́ba ọdún ẹ̀dínkọ́lá fún mi ẹ̀dínbà wà ń bẹ̀ Dàmọ́lá lọ́túnjú wà ń bẹ̀. Don't look for your gold, okay?
Yes, sir. We're very sorry, sir. Let's roll on, sir.
What rubbish? I'm even tired. I don't even know if I can walk anymore.
Yes, sir. Very sorry, sir. Let's roll on, sir.
PM,
director.
Come on, Mr. Yomi. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's roll. Director, let's roll.
Yeah, no, let me talk to him.
They call me CC Cafe, I'm in love with a superstar.
See my babes. Oh, you mad do? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ń cash out ni.
You know I don't joke with money, and this is my school fees. Please, don't go there.
Kí ọ̀rẹ́ mi á fa idea kan sọ sí mi lọ́kàn sí.
Ṣó fẹ́ gbọ́ má gbé yẹn wá rárá idea orí burúkú òṣì ẹ wo ṣé wọn pé bóyá gbá idea òṣì kan wá tó lọ affect mi gbà yẹn nìyẹn ó wá lọ má gbé wá rárá.
wọ́n lè pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn sáré gbé idea yẹn wá ní jẹ́ ká sáré lo idea yẹn ṣé o mọ̀ ni ṣé tiẹ̀ lélẹ̀ ṣé o mọ eyín ẹ̀.
Babe, where are you parking my money to? Please, this is my school fees.
I'm not actually here. I'm
mi ò fowó tèmi ṣe.
Mo wà ń bí mi lọ gọ̀gọ̀ lọ wọ kó yòókù wá. Ṣẹ̀bẹ̀ mo rí ewó yín má wọrí o. Ẹ máa wọ̀n tí bá dẹ̀ ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ má sọ̀rọ̀ o. It's about my baby. Yomi girl, thank you for the cash. Yeah. I'm a rich girl, and thanks to my baby, Yomi Gold. I love you, baby. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you for the money. Thank you for the kisses. And please don't forget to vote for my baby for the upcoming Bora Awards. The best actor in the leading role is Yomi Gold. Yomi Gold is a go. I'm in love with you. I love you so much, my darling. I love you, my baby, and see you soon. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Mo parí ẹ̀. Ẹ máa pín ra yín.
Ṣáyé ló ń ṣe ìṣá. Èwo ni fake life orí burúkú kan tó fake life orí burúkú tó ń live yìí gan. Kò lè pay ẹ.
Is it your fake life? It's my life.
But it's not good. Babe, are you insane?
This is your life.
Jesus. Why are you like this? Can't you just change?
Àwọn èèyàn máa ti máa follow wá rí bọ́yìn máa like ẹ̀.
Follow orí burúkú wo ló follow only fake life only one follow rárá òṣìwò ló sọ yìí gan.
Oh, understand your long. Tó bá ní 1,000 follow àpèrè lásán máa dàbí pé ó ní $1 billion.
Yomi.
What's up?
Kí ni mo gbélé?
Mo ti rí tẹ́lẹ̀ náà, ó ṣá triple S, ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ gbogbo òṣì tó máa ń ṣe nìyẹn. Ó mọ gẹ́wọ̀n yẹn náà.
Ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wàhálà bí kí ló sọ fún mi? Ṣé òun kọ́ lájọ́ wò yìí ni? Kò tó kó àdúrà owó yìí fún.
What are you talking about? Owó báwo? Mo ṣe máa kówó fún.
Babe, this must be a setup. Ma ṣe fún lówó.
Setup ní kíni? Lóní kó máa kówó fún, lóní kó máa vote fún ẹ. Ló ń spend night pẹ̀lú ẹ. Níta Yomi. Mo dẹ̀ ń bèrè owó lọ́wọ́, ó sọ fún mi pé kò sówó lọ́wọ́ ẹ lánàá.
What are you talking about? Mo ṣe máa kówó fún.
Jọjọjọ gbẹgbẹ no ṣí sọ̀hún. Ṣé mo jẹ́ wèrè ni? Mo jọ́ dẹ̀ ni. Kí ló fi ń lọ mí iná Yomi? Ó fẹ́. Ṣé bí mo bí ẹ lérè? Ṣé mi ò bí ẹni tó sọ fún mi pé fún àná lásán ni? A ṣe ìfẹ́ ra.
Wait. Ṣé ìkó tí mi ṣe lánàá mo máa ṣe léni? Ọjọ́ olórí irú ìwà pálapàla yẹn lọ́wọ́ mi rí. I don't do that.
O lè change Yomi. Àwọn parents mi kú sọ fún mi. Wọ́n ní kí n má fẹ́ actor. Ṣé wọ́n nìkan ló máa kọ́kọ́ act ni Yomi? Ṣé wọ́n nìkan la máa kọ́kọ́ máa wò ni?
You know this guy is obsessed with me.
Obsessed? Ṣé wọ́n nìkan ló máa kọ́kọ́ máa act ni? Yomi. Níjẹta ó sọ fún mi ó ní ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe screenplay. Aṣọ́dọ̀ ẹ ló gbà lọ.
I don't do anything with my fans. I just show them love in return and that's all.
Kò sí kankan lára ìwà tẹ. Kò sí wàhálà. Inú ilé kò rí rọgbọ fún èmi àti ẹ. Yomi, àtijọ́ tẹ̀sẹ̀ bọ́ náà. Ṣó ti gbọ́?
Oh yeah. They call me CC Cafe. I'm in love with
What kind of a girl is this? What kind?
My crush. Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush.
I don't know anything.
My crush. Every day and night, my crush. It is you I know. Agbabu kurojo. Adomiya agbadanu. My crush. Bala.
On this topic, people know what now. If you staircase, you be mo wa. Worry means see and put it on a sequenced silver black kind of dress. Àwọn bloggers yẹn kàn máa ń disturb èèyàn ni wọ́n bá ti rí story kékeré kan bá wọn máa fi call léèyàn kiri ni.
Orúkọ mi ni Ọláyínká Latif èmi mo pè yín lórí phone.
I know that's why I'm here. O ti sọ fún mi tẹ́lẹ̀ o ti pe orúkọ mi mọ̀ bóyá ọ̀rẹ́ mi lòun try láti introduce rẹ̀ sí. Nevertheless meet him, he's a blogger.
Nípa rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú pé ẹ̀ ń fẹ́ Mr. Yomi Gold àbí ẹ̀ fẹ́ Mr. Yomi Gold òun ló gbé wa wá síbí because láti Hunter TV àwọn kì í mú fake news so a máa ń confam ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu ẹni tó ní nǹkan ká tó gbé news jáde so kò tó gbé wa wá gangan nìyẹn.
Firstly mi ò lè máa kọ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe ẹ̀ ní but you're wrong. Nǹkan tó bá jọmọ́ love affair wọn kì í pè ní rògbòdìyàn. You just make it be like okay the love affair story or something. Rògbòdìyàn ṣé à ń jà ni ṣé dàbí combat ni.
Tó yà mí lẹ́nu rògbòdìyàn.
Anyway I'm pleased and I'm glad you guys already know. Ọlọ́run ló jẹ́ kí Yomi jẹ́ best actor tí gbogbo wa mọ̀. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ fèmí sí position láti jẹ́ celeb wife. You understand? And I'm so happy that news yẹn ti kàn sí gbogbo yín. You understand? The truth is, it's not even something hidden any longer. Yomi Gold is my love, the love of my life. Is my everything. And is my everything. I don't know what to say. I'm Ferawa. I love Arawa Gon. And I'm not going to hide it anymore. So, any other thing you want to say? Oh, sorry, talk of the devil.
Wow, Mr. Yomi Gold.
Hello, baby.
Hello, Triple S.
Oh, baby. I feel the same way about you. You want to know more baby no she feel I love you and that's the truth.
Who is your love? I said who is your love? No, Showa, okay. I said I am not interested in you. I am married for God's sake.
For real? Oh my God. You are the best. You are the best. Thank you so much. This birthday wish is enough for me.
What? Oh. O tún ti fi mi gba star. O tún ti fi mi gba star bí tó wà yẹn. Ayé rẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni. Ayé ẹ̀ máa bàjẹ́ ni.
Me too. Mo mọ̀ pé ti máa kọ́kọ́ ṣáájú mi sọ, but you know I love you too.
See, I am giving you the last warning. Gbogbo videos tó wà lórí Instagram yẹn tó jọmọ́ èmi àti ẹ, go and remove them right away. Go and delete those videos right now. Ṣé fẹ́ kó bá mi ni? Ó fẹ́ kó bá mi àbí? You want to stain my image? Ọlọ́run ní fún ẹ ṣe. Tó bá jẹ́ pé ìwọ ni wọ́n rán wá láti wá bayé mi jẹ́ nílùú yìí. Ọlọ́run ní fún ẹ ṣe. Tó bá jẹ́ pé o ti ń bayé àwọn actors kan jẹ́, o ò ní bayé tèmi jẹ́. Èmi Yomi Gold, o ò lè bayé mi jẹ́. Okay? O máa gbé gbogbo
ṣe ó máa gbé síwájú ni.
Ó ṣé ọkọ mi. Ọlá, wow, that's a big surprise. Yeah, Mama dúró ṣùgbọ́n ọkọ mi. Thank you so much. I love you, baby. Bye.
Ọmọ yóò gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Ọmọ yóò gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Ọmọ yóò gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. Hello? Ó ti ya wèrè. Ó ti ya wèrè níbi tó wà yẹn o. Ó ti ya wèrè níbi tó wà yẹn. Ọmọ yóò gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ. 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 What kind of a woman is this?
Madam, pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tí mo rí níbà yẹn sìn, mo ti confirm nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ confirm. Èmi máa iṣẹ́ mi bí iṣẹ́.
No, mo like bó ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn because ó ń ṣe bíbí ẹni tí ò mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, but right now you've confirmed it, right? You know, ìfẹ́ ò ń ṣe nǹkan téèyàn máa mú pamọ́. Ẹ̀yin bloggers máa ń fẹ́ share àtẹnusọ, but then ó máa kàn come out ni, and thank God you saw it yourself. But you know, I'm going to do something for you. Thank you so much. Kí ni ìkéré gan bò wá fi ṣe tífẹ̀?
Oh, thanks.
And it's actually for my baby.
Thank you.
Máa fún mi láwọn owó yẹn, ó rú ẹ̀yin fẹ́ bá wá sí ẹ̀ and just handle this. So,
thanks, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Yeah. Regards from my baby.
No problem.
Yeah, bye.
Hey, ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Yeah, baby.
Hey. Orí Instagram gan, àwọn followers ẹ̀ gan ti wọ 800 and something thousands. Kó má ti yọ pre picture báyọ̀ tó ọmọ táyì máa like ẹ̀. Ìwọ gan fúnra rẹ̀ ti bá di celebrity báyìí. Ó kò interview ẹ lọ́sùn lọ́sì.
Ìwọ ló mọ yìí.
Àánú ẹ̀ ṣe mí. Ìyá Yomi Gold, wọ́n ròyìn wọ́n ẹ̀. Wọ́n ló ń gbá lórí wọn ló ya wèrè ju màálù lọ. Tó bá mú ẹ.
I don't know why you find it hard to trust me. Ọkọ mi sì sọ fún mi pé girl yẹn gan, she's at the verge of moving out of the house. And I'm going to be the wife, but you know, pending that time, jẹ́ kí mi wà báyà, happiness ló matter. And that's it. My baby is cool with it. I don't want to make mouth, I swear. Mo like him.
Yomi ò fi àwọn ẹ̀ ṣe.
As in, I'm trying to tell you that things are very hard these days for me. And ẹ̀yin tèmi náà lè máa ń gbé mi. Kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yin kò sí mi. You just have to help me. You don't understand.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni, jẹ́ kí n sọ nígbà fún ẹ. Ẹyẹ tó ń wo oúnjẹ fẹ́ yẹ ẹgbẹ́ akọ́ṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe, jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ. Gbogbo bóyá máa ń kàrámọ̀ tó ń sọ ìbò tó ń ṣe bí alákòwé yẹn, èmi ò gbéra ẹ̀. Ìjẹta nígbà mo gbé ẹ jáde lọ ṣayé. Exactly lánàá mo gbé ẹ jáde lọ ṣayé. Ó gan jáde gan náà. Kó lọ sùn fún ara ẹ̀ náà kó mọ̀ bó ta ṣe rí náà. Àbí ló ń ṣe ẹ̀. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni mi ò, I don't like it.
Kò sí wèrè màá bá pàdé mi sọ̀rọ̀. Legendary.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni má máa pè mí sí nǹkan tí ó bá ti sin bẹ̀ òun náà ti ń sọ fún ẹ. Sori yaba àwọn máa ń hustle ni o. Wà á lọ hustle ó ti yẹ wà á ní kárí àtù olúkàlùkù máa gbẹ́rù tiẹ̀ ni o kò sí Jésù ń bí.
Kò sí wàhálà sórí tẹ́yìn bá ká ní ti yàn Ọlọ́run á tẹ́rọ̀ gẹ̀.
Báàmì ẹ má jọ kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́.
Òṣìṣẹ́ o.
Ó ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́sùn ta ni náà ó máa jáde wà lọ ṣiṣẹ́ apá kí ló ń ṣe ẹ́.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣàpá alákọ̀wé ń bí ni kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n wọ channel sókè ó gbé Gucci sí ó tún wá wọ kí ló wọ Versace jọ ṣáà ń polówó designer ń bí ni kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kí lè fẹ́.
Legendary.
Àgbà yìí ó mọ̀yàn jẹ́.
Ìwọ náà làwa wá sí ibà.
Mr. Legendary.
Dààmú ẹ.
I'm Detective Ayla.
Stand up. Come on. Come back here. Stand still. Now move.
Hey, Mr. Yomi, we are very surprised when I saw the news online. It's everywhere. And this scandal doesn't make sense for your corporate image. We need to get something done, like right now. We will network company to offer for any endorsement. What's in the campaign and everything? Can clear scandal. This is getting out of hand. We need to do something very fast. Sir.
My suggestion is we should have a press conference.
Okay.
And correct the impression. I probably sue the lady for defamation of character.
I think she's right.
Yeah.
I think she's right.
It's like you guys are getting something wrong. And I need you guys to see it from the same angle Timothy War. Sherry T and Toloroko, I can tell Loroko.
tí wọ́n bá ń fa nǹkan ó yẹ kẹ́yìn mọ̀ pé tí ò lórúkọ òun ló máa ń pariwo jù. But the moment ẹni tó lórúkọ tó bá ti lè reply tó bá ti lè dá lóhùn ó ti fún ní cheap publicity tó wá káàkiri. And I want you guys to just look at it from that angle. Wípé èmi àtọmọ yìí, we are not an item. There's nothing between us. We're not doing anything together. So whatever she's saying out there, ó ṣe láti fi fúnra ẹ̀ ní popularity tó ń fẹ́. And she just want me to talk. She want me to be part of it. I am not going to talk to her. I'm not going to grant any public interview. Okay? And you, as my publicist, it is your job láti make sure pé gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń kàn níta táwọn èèyàn fẹ́ mọ̀ tó fẹ́ mọ̀ òtítọ́ ẹ̀ ìwọ tọ̀mọ́lẹ̀ sí wọn. And you as my PA, ìwọ ó yẹ kó mọ àwọn ìgbésẹ̀ tó máa gbé tí wàá fi make sure wípé gbogbo kíní it doesn't get to me. Okay?
A kàn ní ká sọ opinion tiwa fún yín ni, but a máa ṣiṣẹ́ tiwa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe sọ.
All right, that's fine.
And you can always count on me, sir.
Kò sí wàhálà, kò sí wàhálà.
So ẹni kẹfẹ́ lọ́kàn balẹ̀.
All right. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
It will be better for you to tell us the truth, so that the truth can set you free. Thank you. You see, I know it wasn't intentional. It was a mistake. But you can suffer as in mo mọ̀ pé ó ṣe mistake kò mọ ẹ lọ́wọ́ ni kan ṣàlàyé fún wa bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan.
Mi ò mọ̀ kankan pa ẹ. Mi ò mọ̀ kankan. I don't know anything about it.
Shut your trap! Oh, lè sọ fún mi pé o mọ̀ kankan pa ẹ na. You can't tell me you don't know anything about it. The day you were ranting, you were making all the threats, you forgot I was there. So just tell me what happened and how you ended up killing him.
That day, it was just alcohol. I was drunk. That's why I was mishandling.
It's not like that, detective. Ntẹ́ mi ò rò pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé àwọn méjèèjì jọ ń dáná. Àtẹ̀yìn bá ń dáná yẹn máa need ọ̀bẹ. So a lot of things lèyàn máa fẹ́ fọ̀bẹ ṣe. But tí kíní yẹn ti wá lọ bí eré pa mistake. Okay. So that's why. It just tell us. So àwa máa mọ kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Àbájá.
Ayé mi.
I see. So, you don't even want to say the truth. Okay, fine, I understand you did not kill him intentionally. You know, sometimes in your man lọ sí ìbínú tó gbé lọ, you understand? Àríyànjiyàn kan wá jáde, wá ò pé bẹ́ẹ̀ kò kọ̀ tiẹ̀ fọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ṣeré. Then mistakenly you stabbed him.
Rárá bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ bí ìmọ̀ kọ́kọ́ pé ayé mi ti wá bá mi báyìí. Mi ti bá mi.
Detective, I think this guy thinks we are here to joke. Maybe it's time I make him understand that we are not jokers. Maybe it's time I should just,
No, detective. Yeah, you say, if you handle him, you just kill him. You're too big for him. You know, I'm too tiny. Let me handle him so that you will know.
Nothing I cannot do for my loving crush. My crush. Every day and night, my crush. It is you I know.
Smile. What really happened? Why to jáde nínú office ọ̀gá báyẹn tí o kẹ́ anybody or anybody sọ̀rọ̀ and ojú ẹ̀ wá lé o wà moody mo tún wá débi sí mo rí pé o ṣeré ojú ẹ̀ ló pọ́n kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tell me.
O ní believe ṣá o ní believe pé ọ̀gá ti gba kéèsì yìí lọ́wọ́ mi.
Please, which case are you talking about?
Which else? It's Femi Ikudaisi's case. This murder case, time pursue that is spent every of our energy, every damn thing we have on. Just like that.
Are you for you?
Yes.
Kí ló ga sọ pé ó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ní kí start jẹyà sí start ṣe wàhálà lórí ẹ̀ láti joy.
See, I don't understand this boss.
because he's saying because I am overzealous, I did not wait for the analysis of the result of the forensic before making arrest. That at the end of the day, I arrested a man and the forensic shows that it's a woman's fingerprint.
Female?
Yes, female. I mean, I don't get it. And he said that all the dignitaries are after him, that the IG is interested in this case, even the president.
Even at that, kò sẹ́lómi tó fẹ́ handle ẹ̀jà wa yìí náà lọ. Because talk about bouncing, team ewo nani tó fẹ́ handle ẹ̀ àwa yìí ni. Àwa tó tún kù mama tẹ̀lé wa ni táwọn ò tí ì rí ṣe ṣáwọn èèyàn làwọn fẹ́ ṣe.
I think he already has this guy in mind. Because, you know, sometimes you give somebody chance to do other things. Agent, what is his name? This detective, Ademomolosho.
Ademomolosho?
Yes.
Guy to handle case ex-governor here.
Yeah, that is him.
That guy is always going to the extreme.
But that does not stop her from doing her job.
Yes, you're right.
Good afternoon, guys. I am Detective Ademomolosho.
Guys, what do we have?
We have a phone call that...
I heard that. See, I have read the case file over and over before coming to this place. I need you to give me a point that can help us solve this case.
If you are actually listening with your ears, you will know that I was trying to...
Excuse me. You don't understand. I was expecting you to hit the point, not parabolate. Man, you're parabolating.
If not for the fact that you are thinking and hearing with your anus, you would have heard me try to make a point about a Nollywood that...
Excuse me, the fact that you have been in this department for a long while does not give you that competency. See, if you could solve this case, they wouldn't have brought me here in the first place.
For the fact that you actually solved that ex-governor's case does not make you the best. I am the best.
Excuse me. And you know that you need to check my profile. See, I, Detective Ademomolosho, I am one of the best homicide detectives in this game. And you need to check my profile. So you better start thinking with your brain and not with your freaking mouth. See, a lot of people can talk the talk, but few can actually walk the walk. Start thinking with your head, not with your freaking mouth.
After a series of forensic analysis, we discovered an ancient at the crime scene. And we got the fingerprint of the killer on it.
Now we are getting somewhere. This guy was a celebrity. He was a Nollywood actor. This guy was busy putting smiles on everyone's faces. Now, why will someone go out of his own way to kill such person, a celebrity? You see, the point is something is hidden. We need to uncover it. We need to solve this puzzle. Now, what was his last activity on social media? Instagram, Facebook, whatever.
One of the informations I wrote down was that he was nominated for Bora Award for the Best Actor of the Year, 2018, and the prize money is 50 million naira.
Now you are thinking with your brain, not your mouth. Now, okay, each award, the incentive is 50 million naira, right? That is big enough to generate rivalry, beef, hate. Now we're getting somewhere. Now, who are the other nominees in that category?
Jerry Smith, Rotimi Akinwale, and Yomi Good.
Okay. I like this. You see, we need to work together as a team so we can break this case. By the time you continue with this, your attitude is like a flat tire. If you don't fix it, you ain't going nowhere. Reason, think. I'll see you guys at the other side. You're smart, but you.
You know, this guy is actually beating more than he can chew. Because I'm beginning to get very angry. Because I just feel like I should use my fist and crush him.
Smile. Just calm down. Okay, we need the result. Okay?
Tomorrow is Kefi's birthday, right? Kefi. Sexy. Soft. So beautiful.
Give me back, oh. Richie the lion. See, we are coming from the ghetto. We know the fun, we know the rage. See, we are balling from the ghetto. We know the fun pussy, we know the rage. Just some of them, oh, just they look. And me, I just they look. Some of them, I they hustle for my pay. May they hustle for their own. We don't mix the money, man. Less than blame, but the money man, oh, I say when I tell a boss, see with the gold and the diamonds, the gold and the diamonds.
Wait up, Beto bottom. No.
Come on now.
What casket?
Sorry.
What casket? Casket, man. Casket, that's what I think. Wait up,
No time for them. I want to me one go. The maid. Money. Yeah. Somebody can say hi. Nobody call police. You know here with the smoke police. I say pass round the cannabis. Mr. Lecky on the beat. Sure you know swag on the schoolboy. GKOBO Baba. Befunga Basimi. Oh, Miss Baba. Alachi. That me bang, left for Tony Montana, don't to lose and got suddenly. I want one last, let me see what they won't see me. Then man.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me. Are you Miss Kefi? All right, I am Detective Smile, and these are my colleagues. You are under arrest for the murder of Femi Kudaisi.
We advise you to keep quiet. Let go.
So, ma'am, please stand up. You have the right to add an attorney, and anything you say right now is definitely going to be used against you.
I'm not saying anything, but I don't know.
Please.
I don't know who is Femi.
Ma'am, I will not repeat myself. Ma'am, I wouldn't want to offend you, ma'am, please.
I have told you several times. I am not a killer. I can't even hurt a fly.
Miss Kafayat Bolagade, you seem not to understand that this is Nigerian police. And we don't just make arrests. We make arrests on a very strong evidence, especially when it concerns murder. I can make these things go away or have a slight sentencing if you choose to talk with me. But then if you choose to open up completely, of course, I can speak to one or two people. They can give you immunity clause. You understand what I'm trying to say? But then you will need to speak with me.
I need to talk to my lawyer.
I knew you were going to get there. So I prepared everything. Because we have strong evidence showing that you murdered the deceased.
Then bring it on! Bring the evidences on. And if I'm found not guilty,
then the entire police force will be in a mess. I can promise you that.
Sexy, soft, sophisticated baby. Madam, careful.
So you are behind all this? This man standing used to be my ex-lover. I fell out of love. I started growing feelings for someone else. He became very jealous. So you went ahead to frame me for murder.
Yeah, you are right. I was in love with you. Along the line, you fell out of love with me. I was jealous. Yeah. I was crazy in love with you, but I never knew I was in love with a cold-blooded killer like you.
And you're not a murderer!
On the 22nd of June, Kefi, you killed Femi Iku.
Prove it.
Femi Iku was nominated in the same category as the Best Actor, Buddha Awards 2018.
Everybody knows.
And you felt Femi Iku was the only obstacle blocking the way of that 50 million naira and the award for your so-called crush, Yomi Gold. So get Amy out of the way was your last option, and you did just that. Femi Ikudaisi's last request on Instagram was a request for a massage therapist.
I'm the massage therapist you requested for on Instagram. Come here. I am not a therapist.
My dear, the massage therapist showed up and killed Mr. Femi Ikudaisi. And this was found at the crime scene. Remember I came to your house to give you a birthday gift the other day?
Oh, I don't use Android. I'm an Apple babe for life.
Conducted a proper forensic analysis on this very item. And guess what? I knew all along you don't like Android phones. Now this is it. I did that to get your fingerprint from the Android phone to correlate with this item right here. And guess what? My dear, this is you, and this is you right here. Is this not the same item? Is this not the same item as the murder scene?
Look at it very well.
All evidences lead to you. You are a killer. You killed Femi Ikudaisi.
So if Femi is out, your guy will be the one going home with the 50 million.
So Femi Ikudaisi gangan ló ń dí Yomi Gold mi lọ́wọ́. Tí n bá mú kúrò lọ́nà. Yomi a máa ríṣẹ́ gbà. Gbogbo award òun ló máa fún. Ṣé tèmi ò ti wá dá báyẹn? Inú Yomi náà tún wá dùn sí. Máa wá tún wá padà sórí dára sí mi. Tí n bá mú yẹn kúrò lọ́nà. Yomi a máa rí tèmi rò. Àbùṣe bá bùṣe.
I can explain. I can explain.
She wants to explain the end of the road. We are listening. We are all ears.
I am not a murderer. I did it out of love. I just wanted to protect my happiness by all means. I saw Femi Ikudaisi as the only stumbling block to allow me to see Femi.
Miss Kafayat Balagadin. Officer, I think we have everything we need recorded. Yeah. Best of luck, Shuli.
Every day and night, my confidence is too low. Oh my God.
I love you too, Shuli.
Hallelujah!
náà la ṣe wá ẹ̀yin tèmi ní lóko níbi ayẹyẹ Bora Award 2018 ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn òṣèré lọ́kùnrin lóbìnrin ló ti gba ife ẹ̀yẹ orúkọ mi kò yí padà èmi ní Lateef Ọláyínká Ìbíyẹmí.
What up, Africa? It's your boy Jimmy U reporting to you from your favorite TV station, Emma Kills. Right now, I'm sorry, we really have to leave the event hall to be able to have this exclusive interview with the winner of Bora Award Best Nollywood Actor 2018. Now, let me remind you what Bora Award is. It's an award and a prestigious award that has previous winners in the likes of Ramsey Noah, Olu Jacobs, and Genevieve Naji. We'll keep you updated right now as I introduce to you the winner of the Bora Award. Here comes one of the winners of the Bora Award 2018. Yeah, my name is Jimmy U reporting from Emma Q TV station. We want you to tell us, sir, how you feel being the winner of the Bora Award, sir. Tell us how you feel. We want to know, sir.
Well, as the best actor of the year, I want to say thank you to Almighty God and to say thank you to my parents and to all my lovely fans out there for all the support, for all the love. Because without them, I would not be able to win this award. So thank you to all of them. And I really appreciate the time and everything they've given to me. And at the same time, you know, today, you know, it's really a sad day for me because the industry lost one of the best actors of our time. A very good friend, a very good colleague, Ife Iku. And I'm dedicating this award to his loving memory. May his soul rest in perfect peace.
Amen. Mr. Yomi.
Yeah.
A gbọ́ pé ìkan lára àwọn olólùfẹ́ ìyẹn Kẹ́fì XXX. A gbọ́ pé òun ló ṣekú pa Fẹ́mi Kúdàísí kẹ́yìn bá lè rí ife ẹ̀yẹ tẹ́ gbà yígbà. Kí ni ẹ ní láti sọ fún wa nípa ẹ̀?
Ó dá mi lójú pé àwọn ìjọba wọn ṣiṣẹ́ lórí ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́. No comment.
Mr. Yomi, one more question. Mr. Yomi,
no comment.
Ìbéèrè kan la ní fún yín, sir.
Every day and night, my crush it is you. I know, yeah. Abaku, I don't need a banana, yeah. Talabano, Abombo, Arami, Arami, 'cause this life, oh, that, Talabano, Abombo, Arami, oh, na 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 na. Anything you do, my brother, just run your thing. Anywhere you go, my brother, suffer, take the life up. And never don't see what it no matter your tutu. Situation will make you feel it high. Know what you are doing, keep your head up in the game. Sing, Kalabala, Abongo, Anami, cause this life, oh, bad. Talabano, Abongo, yeah, I really changing you, yeah. Tarabi, Papadirola, Tarabi, Papadirola, Tarabi, Marirola, oh, mama,
Yeah, what's up, people? This right here is Jimmy U. Oh gosh, this guy is one of the biggest things that is coming to your big screen very soon. You guys should watch out. Jimmy U, Jeff MC, aka Tony Montana, we're coming through, baby. Watch out for the movie Crush. I hope you enjoyed it.